What's going on, everybody? So right here we got an 82-inch Pelican Sport Trek Utility Sled. I have it pretty much packed right now. I got an Otter Vortex Pro Resort inside. I got a diesel heater, a propane heater, 3 ice fishing chairs, my 4 fishing rods, my tackle, a cooking set, a cooking burner, a cast iron frying pan, the exhaust for the diesel heater, a car battery, and lights and everything for inside the tent. I'm going to show you how we got everything inside, what everything is, how I pack it, and go to transport. The only thing I don't have in here yet is food, but I already have the utensils, the plates, the bowls, and stuff like that to have a meal. There's no cots. This is a day run. This is not an overnight stay. So it's like a day run. We're gonna be able to go out for an entire day, be comfortable, and come back. Overnights, well, I might have to add a sled for cots or something along them lines, extra batteries, etc. Oh, I also have the ice auger and a drill with 2 batteries. Okay, let's get into this and I'll show you everything. Okay, grab that corner. Pick that corner off. Okay, pick it up in the front. Oh, and I guess I got 4 propane bottles in here too. Okay, so down here in the back I got 4 propane bottles. I have a cast iron frying pan in the bag, plus a couple extra garbage bags. Whatever you pack out, pack back in and take home. Any garbage or bait, catch of the day or whatever, put it in a garbage bag and transport it. Ice fishing rods in the XPS bag. Cooking utensils and plates, bowls, and a kettle. Diesel heater, car battery, propane heater, drill, extra diesel, Otter Pro Resort. Down in the bottom here we have flooring. I should have enough flooring for 100 square feet, or pretty close. We have next to the battery here, I have ice cleats and the picks that you would wear around your neck in case you fall through the ice. You can kind of pick your way out. So show you how we got everything packed. Just gonna undo a few things here and all right, so okay, so on my diesel heater, I took a rubber glove and I just put it on the cap. That way it wouldn't get any extra spill from the vent hole in the diesel heater fuel tank. In the front, I have my little buddy heater. I got my Milwaukee drill, plus a couple batteries. Got my small 5 extra liters of diesel, car battery, ice picks. That will come out of the package. I just have it there for now. Plates, spoons, bowls, and a kettle for the propane tanks. Got my propane tanks back here. This is my ice auger. That there for screwing in your ice pegs. And then all my flooring underneath. I have a butane stove. I have a shovel, foldable, collapsible shovel. That's kind of nice to have when you're out. You need something. You just fold it up, get it pretty compact. An extra rag. Scoop for the slush. extra butane. the exhaust for the diesel heater and the heater tube. Now, just to remember how you pack it, to be able to pack it again. I believe that can go there, that can go there. Got my ice fishing rods, the auger, all that stuff. The chairs are underneath the diesel heater here, and then the flooring. So it just gives you an idea on how to be able to pack something like this and keep it in confined space and be able to bring it with you. To pull this sled by hand, you probably wouldn't want to do that with everything packed in the way it sits. Sled being, I believe, 60 pounds, the tent being 65 pounds, you're already at 125 pounds, plus your diesel heater, your propane, everything all said and done. You were probably looking at, I want to say, close to 300 pounds, ballpark. To be dragging that by hand would probably be pretty tiring. Definitely something you would want to pull by a sled, unless you were going to take less stuff with you for the run of the day. But that's highly up to the person too. All right, put everything back. Okay. I'm going to get a couple caps for this battery so it doesn't potentially arc out on anything. Got it?
Yep.
Seems like we got everything there. Pretty soon. The only other thing is I find this Pelican cover is a little small for these tents. It shouldn't be, it should have more to it, like should have more, be able to put more of a dome. So I find it barely holds on the edges. Like see, I tucked it around the other side because the tent sticks up a little. This cover doesn't stay on the best. So Pelican, if you're watching this, make these covers a little bit bigger, please. Pay a lot for stuff there these days. At least give us a little cover where we can kind of round our sled off some. ice fishing holes on the sides, or do we put our ice fishing hole in the middle or on one side?
Every corner?
Good.
But the entrance is right there.
Entrance is here,
And the
there's
other
another one there. So
if someone's come from that side, there's a hole there.
so maybe we wouldn't put a hole there.
Yeah.
Put a hole over here maybe.
How many holes do we need?
Probably at least one big one. It's either we make like a big hole here, like this white
Yeah.
would be a big hole, right? Like that.
Yeah.
And then everybody can sit around and fish out of this big hole. Or we could say have one hole over there. Well, maybe like a hole here in this corner. Have another hole here. 2 holes over there. One there and there on each side. So you have 4 holes. Or just something big in the middle like this.
I think maybe one big in the middle. So now do we need to cover the...
Then we can cover the outsides. Alright, so we got the diesel heater set up, got our lights on, majority of our floor out. I think we're gonna leave, as you can see in the corners here, it's like, how many mats do we got? 1, 2, 3. So we got 24 mats in here. This is the 103 square foot Otter Pro Vortex Pro Resort. Could use a couple extra mats if you wanted to seal up all the holes and have it completely shielded off from the ice. But I think what we might do is we might have like a hole in the middle here where we have it open, possibly a couple holes on each side or something along them lines. I might pick up 4 more maybe, but the utility sled's getting pretty compact. But I think for the most part this is gonna work. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and next time we should be fishing, catching some fish.
Yeah.
See you next time.